Oh, snap. Do you know what this is? Do you know what this is? This is 7 years of hard work right here in this package. Man, I'm waiting to open this with you guys because I have yet to hold it in my hands for real. The final version. It's my book. My friggin' memory how-to book. God damn. Yes. Now, as for the clickbait title, yeah, that didn't happen yet. Well, it did. It did happen. Yeah, sort of. I'll talk about that in a moment. Let's open this, shall we? Okay, maybe I didn't need the knife. Oh, man. Wow. That is awesome.
That was awesome.
It's got a good heft to it. It's got that fold in kind of cover. That's awesome, dude. Look at that. Look at that. The cover, my name on it. Joshua Foer's awesome endorsement on the back. Author of Moonwalking with Einstein. Here it is. Let's open it up. Oh, the pages are good. The page, oh my God. Oh, fucking love it. Dude, oh my God, awesome. So fucking awesome. I'm sorry, I'm just, personally, I'm excited about this. It's just like, this is everything that I have like bled and sweated over for the past 7 years. Finally in a form that I can hold. And it's just me, this is me. From here to here, it's me. Obviously it's specifically about memory, but there's so much of like my history and my stories and my ideas, whether they're good or bad, it doesn't matter. It's all like encapsulated in this book. What's even better is I had an illustrator help with making this book just pop. His name is Adam Hayes. He did an awesome job. The foreword is by Sanjay Gupta, a well-known neurosurgeon. What is it about? All right, so it's called Remember It. The names of people you meet, all of your passwords, where you left your keys, and everything else you tend to forget. I should probably memorize that, so when I say the book title, I know what it is, but I always call it just Remember It. It's about 250 to 300 pages, very colorful, lots of illustrations. The whole point of the color thing is that I wanted to make a how-to memory book that was memorable. I felt like too many memory books out there are so dry that sure, if you're interested in improving your memory, you're gonna read it, fine. But for the average person who struggles with memory and may see this book sitting at the airport, you know, they're gonna be drawn to it. It's a memorable color and cover, and the inside just looks like fun. When you think memory fun, all right, I'm gonna give it a shot. And hopefully they have a good time reading about memory, which I had an amazing time learning about memory, and I wanna share that with people too. So hopefully that book does it. And what it is, it's basically a book on how to remember the day-to-day things. I do go deep into some things, how to remember big numbers and decks of cards and stuff like that, kind of the showstopper stuff that I do at competitions, but I also focus on the more useful, practical stuff, where you left your keys, passwords, where you parked your car, when you meet people, how to remember their name, how to remember poems or speeches, or why you walked into a room. Simple stuff, but there are some nuggets of cool little tips, and the best thing, you know, I think, is it's from my voice. It's me. You know, there are memory books out there, they all say the same thing, and to an extent, my book is harping on the same techniques that have been around for thousands of years, just my interpretation of them and everything I've figured out on my own through my memory championship escapades. So there. It's a book for everyone. Everybody can take away something from this book. And the nice thing about it is you don't really have to read it linearly. You can kind of open up to where you want to improve your memory. So if you're struggling with names, you can turn to that chapter and read it, and then close the book, and then put it down, and then come back, look up something about numbers, and you don't have to read it from front to back, and I like that. So it's kind of like an on-the-go book. It's fun, it's a great gift, whatever. It's awesome. It's coming out September 25th. You can pre-order it on all the online bookstores. I'll put a link down here, but it's on Amazon, it's on Barnes & Nobles, all those guys. Remember it.
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, everybody? Peter Mckinnon here. What's up, everybody?
So did Peter Mckinnon read my book? At the time of this video, no. In real life, no. But I had a dream before this book got here that I was helping Peter with a filming project, and he was doing some workout. I think he was doing burpees with a backpack on, and inside the backpack was a ton of copies of my book, and he just had them on them. He had read the book in my dream, and I was just helping him on a shoot. Yeah, super weird. I woke up from that dream like, that didn't make any sense, but I said to myself, dude, Peter Mckinnon read my book. Peter Mckinnon read my book. Then I also realized he actually didn't, so I should probably send him a copy. So I figured, why not send him one of the 2 advanced copies that I have? I know he loves magic and stuff that kind of tickles the mind, and this shit really does. Peter, I know you love cards, so if you want to learn how to memorize a deck of cards, it's in here. Now, will he actually get the package and open it and read it and enjoy it? Most of those, yes, but the key is that he opens it and reads it, right? So we'll see. I'm gonna just shoot it out into the universe. Hopefully it ends up in his hands, and I hope he enjoys it. I'm gonna go write him a note and pack this thing up and send it off. Let's do it.